Chief guest of honor, Prilingu, come and welcome us back. It is my privilege and honor to welcome you all in this significant coordination meeting being organized by Galo Welfare Societies. Most respected, today's chief guest, Srimati Nyabujini Dirchi, Honorable MLA 29 Basar, ST Assembly Constituency. Respected guest of honor, Sri Nyamar Ribaji, Jila Parishad Chairperson, Laparada District. Munka Hiloga Dinchina coordination meeting on Suru Lajka. So may I invite Secretary, Cultural Secretary GWS, Gopet Aidavda to for Galo and Tep, please.
Galo guminang yelendeu, galo neminang gade alayom nam lajuna, minane lage dola, ato doging jideu, galo nemin gane ngunu, mupule ne pete dola, ninggoretema melaju, ingoratama melaju. Kuminta pie momi madobe, meloga bogi goen toma baju, hoi te gote dobe, kindo hokine yordima polaju. Ilu monna moama dobe, Tansi kante rete melaju, jitte anege vida kerulo, galone minam du molaju, galone minam du molaju. Gereto lekin gobe, galo bane, gereto lekin gobe, galo bane, gereto lekin gobe, galo bane.
First, we will welcome address and the keynote address in Kumrik Jolit Agom, Jamdam Legabemo. With great respect, I invite on behalf of Galo Welfare Societies Organizing Committee, Sri Nyaka Raksal, Secretary General, to present. Welcome address, please, sir.
Siloga GWS coordination meeting with Galo CBOs, Soka Chief Guest Bo Oleg Jina, Monoga Honorable MLA Nyabujini Dirchi Madam, Guest of Honor Bo Ojna Monoga Nyamar Riba JPC Laparada, Ok Monoga Galo Welfare Society President Year Tolu Vasaran team, Ok Monoga retired IS Manya Edesar the chief advisor of GWS, okay, ngonuga former minister, doya the advisor, all the patrons, advisors, district unit GWS authorities, all the CBOs, president and secretary, and teams. Nonem ngo naruem siloga ngonuga important coordination meeting so welcome duna nonu pelejin ma makaja edo tolongo point la dariginye ngonuga point meeting discussion sa point fund mobilization for construction of Galo Welfare Society office at Tarajuli. Second, delimitation and census of Galo population. Third, community center in Galo habitat areas, Lower Siang, Leparada, East Siang, and Upper Subansiri. Fourth, modification for coordination among GWS apex body and Galo CBOs and border issues of Lower Siang with miscellaneous discussion, if any. I will mention one addition time. Mono in length, akin same topic mentable unuk time taking it. जो होता है सारा टॉपिक को कवर करके to the point वो member आले पे इनमें ngoiga district unit गुरुवम ngono सब instruction है structural formation सबो ngono block level, village level, joint secretaries GWS गद्दन ने ngono इजागलो का ओका मोमो एमसिन आले मोकबोल आलदुअल मो मेनलिप दो ना ओका लक्के लो किले लो ngono का एक सर्कुलर को कोदू every household contribution agamsin ngono dian jibola district unit gadda alda medu oka fixation of category wise contribution to the official officers, MLAs and minister agamsin ngono circulation mitu segamsin ngono financial drive ikbol alda oka Galo population census segim ijaga sok SIR se sogomuno aniga coordinate के related गेलो सब census population सुनचिन मुनो ध्यान में रखना है इजाग special intensive revision electoral सुनचिन मुनो क्या लोस्का ओका government of Arunachal Pradesh sin double electoral roll enroll mod बेलो nearby state log NOC lot बेल इजा meeting am allocation high power committee बोलना दौलित तो मानमेंट ओका सेगिम को ध्यान देना है ओका नोनो गानी का मेंटासा है जो भी गालो टेक का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ओका फॉर्मेशन ओका रजिस्ट्रेशन इधे गालो एपेक्स बॉडी लोका NOC ऑप्टेन दावो नोनो सोमानी को CBS का डिस्ट्रिक्ट यूनिट का पैट्रन एडवाइजर सेंटर का नोन डिस्कशन इकोतो का like Toby Prank, JLV अकेला फ्रेलल टाइप बमनो रजिस्ट्रेशन इल पर इदु ओका हम ये बोलते हुए सिर्फ JLV का टारगेट नहीं है मोग क्रिस्टन अशगर का कम गालो बाप्टिस्ट चर्च अगर आए कुछ रजिस्ट्रेशन इमाम पुलाई मो जिसमें कि गालो टेक है अगर गालो एपेक्स बॉडी लोका NOC लॉ दबो जनरलाइज के लॉ नॉन सम डिस्कशन उसिन इकोजी बोला Aldamida ok interpret lagi am to notification am jisto segem alebo lenenchi we loka maintain dabo nono menji bolalda mono garala mentahira le modabo galo in one aida ok unit fiction polo yedbo nono sumchin menjel polo ngo meda abin ma lastly Monuga Melokel loga former GWS president Mania Tesar Monuga Jasip advisor vidu Mek teniola Basar sogo serious meeting go ibeni Agam document ngun available वो file लोग ngun konsandat kumo अबिन में पक्ष में है सगुम को मीन डिटेल ऐसे सार ना मुन्ने मेंज गेलो सका मुनो फर्दर क्या कर सकता है इम्पोर्टेंट ना पॉइंट्स कर दम ड्राफ्टिंग मेंबर का दे ड्राफ्ट तब इजबल आल दम दो ओके सब नोक मेलनम टॉपिक सब रिलेट मोलोसिन गालो लगे लगा ला और ना तो की बॉल आल दे दे अगर नोनो पॉइंट टेंशन सब रेज बॉल आल दो और का सेंसिटिव जगह ngoy ka dumpur jo tolgahin ako may important yepe elmo medu edu tolo ijaga galo welfare society gatte ngono ngoy ka CBS gatten ngono acha se leke close affinity bonding le lo nonum ne ngono depend lo activity me meda namnam mega hida nono society em chalaina nonuk pro loka nonuk session nonuk inputs लोग अंगुन काम में ये गालो बाने वेकेंड को येत बोननो रोग नामम आलम में अंगुनु अगले का वो नारु असिलोगा सब दोकुम सब ओलिक जिना प्रोग्राम सब ओलिक जिना मो वेलकम दो ना दो तलमो कागमन सो मेंटर तो थैंक यू
अमन मंगुन का हिलो गा होका निक बोगु बा आलक जिना नेंगुनो अनिको आया काले अमेन को nguno jajiri kira ngo Munga President Galo Welfare Society ne Robodang Nano Ajigo Ayakalu Amenam Jisba Kamla Madam Higingonuga Ayaja Mudla Nom Nengono Jidang Naka Kajule Kengo Munga Honorable MLA Ayuneli Nyabe Jena Dirchile Atiba Hipogo Hijilaska Munga Aduna this mama Apatarela Munu Kobo Ale Jila Munu Doke Kobo do Nam Lagaba Madam Nomakaja Ayaja Bamila Munu Nomne Munuga Asina Puk Ayang Katong Dangna Kaja Okay, Dula Kuchka Amangunga Guest of Corner Simun Anjigo Amengo Jituga Amango Bruguduna Munga General Secretary Nyakarak Safsar no ani go him nok alag lok alag lejip kamla oke kajo nundun gatasin hipotila ju kaje ko kiloga ni potam ba alag na sim bot nyamar riba ZPC 29 basa La Parada district
token of appreciation to CBOs, Hiloga President Secretary CBOs Alam Nagadamni, GWS Toropoka, Azigo Amango Kadu, and team lead Toka.
Amin kuntar sing ajigo CBOs ajigo no darab jipka ajigo kasen dover CBOs
Mok amene Sri Tajen Kamu Lappa Welfare Society local president.
वो कागा वाले ग्रुप को कागा वेलफेयर सोसाइटी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी
Ngo Galo Welfare Society lo Finance Secretary Kang Lendo Ho Welfare Society lo ke President hai Aku ngo kakula ke muda tantu de
Kajulun lalu hipo pemne hijilaska
Amin Taji Rangu Ngo Lodu Our Welfare Society lo General Secretary
Upon good afternoon. Mok amene Henda Chiram, on your Welfare Society के general secretary. Okay.
Narung Logan Bert Ngo Amin Tojun Jirdo Knowing Our Welfare Society representative
Mok amene Adam Mara, we all know our Welfare Society local federal. Ngo Iwam Riji, President Yuva Welfare Society La Parada, and representing the Yuva Welfare Society.
मेरा नाम डको ताबा अपर सुबनसिरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट यूनिट का मैं फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी हूँ और आज अपर सुबनसिरी टोपो गालो को रिप्रेजेंट करने आया हूँ
Good evening.
Mega Kamke, President Ponua Welfare Society. Thank you.
President Mamo Welfare Society, Nyalu Baghdad.
Ngo Liman Karka, Lobong Welfare Society ke Health Secretary, no Lobong Welfare Society represent tu Ngok Sat Lo, memang Lobong memang harus nak ada ke Galagat dem program jaba kumre ki dakla. Ngo kamina toga tasi ngo Karka Welfare Society ke General Secretary ngo President aji wet tisuo kala ngo Karkam nguak represent tuna. Thank you.
Good evening. Ngo kamiran ngo Karka Welfare Society lo President o ngo nuka aklo ngo aklo o Karka represent lo nuka General Secretary Engineer Boko Basachina do mungkin kajam do o unka Vice President Protocol hengi riba mungkin do I amna ngona Karka represent. Thank you.
Good evening, Narun. Mo kami ni Margaret Sora.
Ase ijan inkini menyadar tu solo lokal.
Ngo pagmo konferensi ke presidente. Ngo kita secretary mo saya bitir bijina na wa mo kaya ano na pagmo konferensi.
Ngo kami Bukoba sir, ngo General Secretary Karka Welfare Association lokal.
Good evening, one and all. Ngo kamne Sri Hengiriba, Vice President Protocol Karka Welfare Association.
Aku yang beragam bawa mau kami negeri karena Lobong Welfare Society kamu represent apa ni?
Narum Logambe, Ngo Dr. Yani Ngambil, Secretary Memo Au Welfare Society.
Naruang Logambe, Ngo kamne markar lolen, Ngo West Siang District Unit Loka GWS General Secretary.
Mau kami Dr. Dumon Bagra, Ngo President Galung Welfare Society West Siang District Unit. Thank you.
Ngo kamne Minkar Doji, Ngo Galung Welfare Society East Siang District Unit Loka President.
Lokam ne toy basar le parada district Galung Welfare Society district unit ke president ok hilo ke organizing committee chairman.
Ngo damat kami Galung Welfare Society Upper Subalsir district unit ke General Secretary.
Ngo kamne jumgo amu, ngo secretary yuba le parada.
Logam ber mau kami ni Yongken Mara, mau Yongmu Welfare Society ke Action Chair.
Mo kami kartu mara Yongmu Welfare Society ke yo secretary ke ayo awo chala kumare na mo apo chala.
Ngo kamne Beminyo do Ngo Leparada District Oka Vice President.
Ini yang bicara.
Mau kami na Mujum Lendo, ok Leparada GWS Unit ke areas, ok Lendo Unit Basar ok Secretary.
Ngo doya ke bisesai ngomri ga kla ninge duna
Ngo kerdoeta Paktu Au Welfare Society ke President Alwar Kaduna, Nguruk Secretary. Ngo Gegodoji Paktu Alo ke Secretary General Alwar ke Jajab Philip Duna.
Moji background, former all other Papua Welfare Society, more एकदम voluntarily invitation come madaram ada investment. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Naruan. Mo kami na Mrs. Logan Gara Haider. Mo Upper Subansiri District Unit ga General Secretary, Women Wing.
Good evening. Mo kami ni Sin Yaga Duni Yudik. Mo Topo Welfare Society ga Kitbajar. Women in locker, okay, one upper secondary locker, GW, women in the president. Thank you very much.
Mo kami na Kurter Sora, mo Alawit Locker, Assistant General Secretary po yun.
Naruan, good evening. Mo kami na Junjar Rina, mo Finance Secretary GWS ICL Unit.
Mo Kento the Foreign Minister.
Chok ke kotong kai, last beku.
Mo Joja Basarok Senior Citizen. Kamalan, mau kawan beram, siapa present team of GWS, team of mau advisor beredu. Thank you.
Mo kami na Hento Karga, GWS ke advisor. Thank you.
Mo Migo Rubai, Honorable MLA ga Piaro.
उनका पेट्रोन फादरली फिगर उनका अब दो यादो
बैंक वाला का दो यादो एडवाइजर गालो वेलफेयर सोसाइटी लकाई मोसे निगी आलो गैजा तोमना पाला हबे या पिलु तुना अबेन युमगाम का
Mo former President GWS, okay, presently mo Chief Advisor GWS.
Ama CBOs kat ke Istad Damabe, उनका Chief Advisor, Sarmanya Territar IS, mereka CBOs meeting mereka previous President, former President, mereka aji Highland Jiranda, nunut diam betat laka.
Aruam Yungambe. Aruam Yungambe. Ilog Kababo, Engineer Polivasa, President GWS, not permission local, Kokuba, Ilog Unga, CBO's meeting, coordination meeting, no, Ajna, Honorable MLA, Mr. Sinabi, Dirchi, Ok, JPC, Sidingama, Riba, Ok, Secretary, General Secretary GWS, Ok, Naru CBS Anga, Ok, Senior Member, Nego Adu, CBS Law, Munda Igi Doyado, former ministers in Adu, Ok, Askentonin Katambe, Ok, Mumbai JPC, Yaribo Rasana Adu, Naru Amna Mai. Dolwad हम खोजता ये इजारा उनके जनरल सेक्रेटरी menka local CBA meeting को बासारो इला अजी को correction है बासारो मान इधर ना कर पड़ना ये अजी को तस्दा का हिम तकदम होगी सब लोग का नूर यो हिम लेबर सादी मा ये अजी को नूर मैं आलो point लेबर दाब मुला दे ये बोलो minute of the meetings, first coordination consultative meeting of CGWS with the Galo CBOs held at Pingham Hotel, Naharlagan on 10 September 2022. 22 okay, kode. Okay, the meeting, the first coordination meeting, the meeting start, the meeting witnessed active participation of host of esteemed learned President and General Secretaries and representatives of almost all the Galo CBOs, esteemed learned patrons, advisors, and CC members of team 2022-25 present in the meeting with their valuable inputs and suggestions towards the greater interest of Galo women, especially on issues related to the road and highways, health and education scenario and around Galo women, and finally resolutions were unanimously adopted as follows. Number 1, the House, in pursuance of the resolutions adopted in the 11th Galoban Kaba El Lake Basar, unanimously resolved that all the CBOs of Galo community must get themselves registered under GWS for affiliation purpose by paying an initial registration fee of rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000 only to renew their registration triennially with a renewal fee of rupees 5,000. Registration ipalagi do unga GWS lo CBOs got the registration fee 10,000 of the triennially registration of fee 5,000. Agar ngokan effective mono ikmato him CG gim do besadi kakala kanano agam ijanmeniam. And in consultation, the House resolved and endorsed for incorporation of all the Galo CBOs in the upcoming amended copy of bylaws. The president of all the CBOs will act as ex officio members of GWS and will be eligible for participation in any of the governing body meeting of GWS. Hoxinam resolution wala to governing body meeting iyom CBOs got them ex officio members ba invite palagi do amla lato. Agar ne munu mane practically see the munu economic man record speak karega. The House resolved to endorse the President and General Secretary of all the CBOs to submit their respective clan population within a time period of 3 months from this very day, that is 10/12/2022. In continuation, the House resolved for compulsory primary membership registration drive for all Galo women members to respective CBO heads by paying nominal registration fee of rupees 50. Ogo hemmento higi naru Galo clan gadga population data am jit kanto agam jikpe de jikmadi recording speak karega hoga ngomul ma jin nenjibla pajiman abya na kabla pa ai aga kenna oko kuba members kadam 50 rupees mun ga rito per member ladam le ito ijada notun be to yom aga prevail over karega. Number 3, the House resolved that all the Galo CBOs should show their full support and solidarity towards upgrading the financial position of GWS. Accordingly, the House resolved to positively respond to any call for fund appeal placed by GWS from time to time on demanding circumstances and towards improving the financial status of the GWS for a greater cause of the Galo women. Fixing resolution ko lato, GWS dorkar lo yolo glo iyom appealium agam CBO ka mane responde la ka amla amba CBO respondu da idike amma himsen ham topable aldo mudu design GWS appeal do agam sin CBO ka agam sin norkazu tolaka. Number 4, the House resolved that GWS should initiate school adoption mission and college adoption mission at the earliest possible and back up from all the Galo CBOs in the line of upgrading the educational scenario in our Galo inhabited habits. School adoption aganda munu hoki sablo kata marotam lato posam sin munu ilen la school am sin te moka ida ija college adoption istari masade agam sin munu ag ka katakai college munu aralo kan kad. The House resolved for demanding a college under the jurisdiction of Lower Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh under the aegis of GWS. Lower Siang bol agjib bol aldom la resolution ngayon lato. Aken number 5, 6, the House resolved that GWS should start up doing some tangible, memorable activities on the occasion of each and every Galoban Kaba in and around the event venue so as to make such events meaningful and historic. GWS manangun Galoban Kabalo idlo homoilo un kuch activities go iplagi do amto. The important ma idben igin mono mane level adu. The House, in pursuance of the resolution adopted in the seminar conveyed on the title Leveraging of Road Connectivity in Galo Inhabited Areas, Issues, Challenges and Opportunities, held last on the eve of the 16th Foundation Day of GWS at Gumin Kin Alo, Siang District, on 9 January
and subsequent resolution adopted in the 11th Galoban Kabah held at Basar in the year 2019 resolved that GWS should initiate for serious review of upgrading the status of national highways and local roadways at the earliest possible, taking it on top priority. Hingkan ijaga ting mai take up do among the president leadership law him take up do. Number 8, the House resolved that GWS with support of solidarity of all the Galo CBOs should explore options for conduct of mega health camps in our Galo inhabited belts annually on rotation and need basis in line of addressing the same health issue pertaining to our Galo women. Government to unga rito mega health camp unda Galo area lo lagi do amla mentu agam sin no take up la ibala do o inmen ido. The House further resolved that we should start thinking a Galo first transport rather than prioritizing our own respective clan, religion and should ignore petty issues and differences which are detrimental towards the greater image and greater interest of our Galo women. Mun CBOs encourage the irula the first priority it should be our GWS Galo Welfare Society Galo women The House, in pursuance of the resolution adopted in the 11th Galoban Kabah held at Basar on 2019, further resolved that the election or selection of GWS, GSU and GOIL should be held completely under the complete control and supervision of GWS as they bring the frontal organization of GWS. And higi muno GWS Galo Student Union GOIO him munga control law munga election selection in man iflagi dom la ave muno resolution glato GPF legal do to GPF muno la len ka ko muno lo ko pronto ko info am la manda and vilen yena mi higi meeting go have ibe am him resolution ga dem sen muno man mi bala higi miscellaneous point lo la sadi am sin ka go ma ko ne ai am him men paji ma yom ko ibe ni am men pamam de la me paji na ka de am ngo ka mo thank you.